the surface, these two plastic bags look like two peas from a pod. Siblings, if you will. What if I told you to choose between these two plastics solely based on its physical appearance? You would most likely pick the green plastic due to its bright, eye-catching coloration. What if I told you, in theory, you chose the better of the two plastics, the biodegradable one, with its neat quality of being decomposed? However, are biodegradable plastics a solution to plastic pollution and its devastating effects, or simply the better of two evils? Contemporary society, as we know it, is so dependent on plastics that abolishing plastic usage would be equivalent to losing a limb. Therefore, in attempts to salvage the damaged environment, scientists came up with plastics that break down in the presence of ultraviolet rays, microorganisms, and oxygen. The composition of these plastics include petrochemicals, with additives engineered to break down faster, and starchy plants like corn, cassava, and sugarcane. Biodegradable plastics fall into two categories: oxo-biodegradable and hydrobiodegradable. Degradation of both types start off with a chemical process like oxidation or hydrolysis, followed by a biological process involving microorganisms that release gases like methane and carbon dioxide. However, what makes these plastics easier for microorganisms to decompose compared to single-use plastics? Traditional plastics are made up by long hydrocarbon chains with none to few functional groups, including aromatic rings, methyl groups, and chlorine atoms. However, biodegradable plastics include the ester group, which is made up by the condensation polymerization reaction, which are more susceptible to enzymatic attacks. Therefore, polyethylene terephthalate is one of the most easily degraded petroplastics due to it containing esters and aromatic rings. An advantage of biodegradable plastics is that they are carbon neutral, as the greenhouse gases released during the breakdown are absorbed by crops required for biodegradable plastic production, therefore sustainable in the long run. The drastic reduction in breakdown time prevents it from filling up landfills, and the reduced energy consumption in biodegradable plastic manufacture is an added benefit. Biodegradable plastics made up of sugars in crops also help conserve non-renewable fossil fuels. However, did you know that even biodegradable plastics contain foreign chemicals that do not belong in nature, and even after the plastic breaks down, it can contribute to global warming? Furthermore, most of these plastics end up in landfills due to a lack of knowledge on composting and on recycling. Due to the lack of oxygen and UV rays, it is only a small percentage of biodegradable plastics that even get the chance to decompose. Although producing these plastics release fewer greenhouse gases, a study conducted by the University of Pittsburgh found that they release more pollution due to pesticides, fertilizers, and land use. It is yet to be proven that biodegradable plastics have any true beneficial impact on our environment. Although we'd like to think that we are working towards a greener future by using biodegradable plastics, making small changes to our lifestyle by using reusable cloth bags would be far more sustainable. If we wish to contribute to a greener future, let's make an effort to reuse, reduce, and recycle plastic. Thank you.